Hey everybody, Steve Tristan here with Steve Tristan's Best, and I'm going to be installing a solar screen today. So I'd like to show you how to do that. And before we get started, do me a favor and give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do so already. And select the alert notification so that you could see any new how-to videos we have coming out. Okay, the main thing you do is you put your brackets on the side of the leaf pole, flush with the top of the leaf pole here with the drain, so that way it will continue to drain.
This side of the leaf pole? Okay.
It's vinyl, that's why.
Oh, it's plastic.
So everybody, that's how you install a solar screen. Okay, this was with a 7/16 inch frame, the basic clip. There's two ways to mount them. One is you can go all the way to the edge and screw right through the frame, or you use these clips. So these clips are awesome, they're amazing. You can remove your screens easily to clean your windows, etc. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. Take care, God bless, and catch you next time. Yeah.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. I just wanted to mention that this was the #1 most challenging video that we've ever had to do. Why? Because the neighbor's dog just wouldn't be quiet. It kept barking and barking at us the entire day when we were installing that job. And we tried our best to shoot a good video for you guys, but I'm sure you've heard a dog barking. It sounds kind of weird at certain points, but you know, we did the best that we could for the challenge that we had. So, but thank you very much for watching it. We truly appreciate it. We will add another video for how to install a solar screen out in the desert. It will be frame to frame, so we will screw through the frame and attach or mount the solar screen directly onto the window frame without any clips. So check out that video coming out soon. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Take care. God bless, and have a great day.
Don't forget to order your screen door at bestcustomscreens.com. Catch you guys next time. Bye.